Today, we're making viral chocolate recipes. The world is still obsessed with Dubai chocolate, and now there's a brownie version. Welcome back to my kitchen. Your kitchen queens of chaos are going to be chocolate queens today. Hey, did you get the memo? I'm excited for this one because when we made Dubai chocolate recipes, they were like double thumbs up. So this brownie, I've got high hopes for it. We're gonna work on the brownie base first, so we need to measure and weigh things out. First, I'm gonna whisk 2 eggs with sugar, 180 grams of sugar. Yes, give me some power. Oh my gosh, heart attack, okay. We're gonna whisk that up until it's light and fluffy. I am multitasking in the kitchen today. What? Your girl is not even a baker, but I'm so organized. I feel so good about today's cooking session. Earlier, I browned some butter and melted some chocolate. Here's the mixture cooling down. We're gonna add this into our egg and sugar mixture along with some other ingredients. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, that looks so pretty. Look at that color. Now, the reason why we're so organized in the kitchen today is that we have a little hack. We have written instructions. Usually when Zed and I make these viral TikTok recipe videos, we have to watch the video like at least like 20, 30 times, like playing over and over again just to nail it. But guys, I'm gonna put you on something. I found this app called Recipe. Say you're scrolling on social media and you see a recipe that you like. All you have to do is tap share and then go to more. And then I've got my recipe app just there. Wait for it, wait for it. Now it's given me a full recipe with ingredient list and step-by-step instructions, and I can just save this. And now I have a place to store everything. Plus, I really like that I can go in and adjust the serving size. Say I don't want 12, I want like 8. It'll calculate the measurements for me. It can even make me a grocery list, which is so handy because that is a huge headache on its own. Like writing all the ingredients down, making sure you got enough of everything. Let's continue. To the mixture, we're gonna add in flour and cocoa powder. We're gonna fold it in. Did our mixture cool down too much? Did I do too much talking? This looks dense. Pour all of the brownie batter into the prepared pan. Smooth the top and bake for 22 minutes. Is there a way to fold this? How to fold it? We took so long lining our tray that our batter cooled down. I just scoop it in. It's not come enough. We just need a bigger scoop. On a positive note, if we get this on us, you won't really be able to tell because we're wearing brown. We gotta squash it down. Okay, teamwork makes the dream work. In it goes for 22 minutes in the oven. We're on this side of the kitchen now. I've melted butter. And then we're gonna add in our kunafa pastry, which I've already chopped up. We're gonna toast this.
Oh, this gives me deja vu.
Right? Remember last time it took a while to get crispy. It's got a brown, so it gives you that nice like crispy, crunchy texture. In person, this is looking like it's got enough color. Our camera is washing it out a little bit, but it's crispy and we lost about 10% of it to the countertop. So yeah, we're doing an amazing job. We let that cool a little bit and now we're gonna add our pistachio cream in. I'm gonna drizzle that on top, and keep in mind, ours is not like radioactive like the other ones you see online, but this is pistachio cream. Yeah, you'll mix, I squeeze. So yum. Our pistachio cream isn't that vibrant green, so it's given like mud vibes. Our brownie looks brown and it looks really good. Like it has that crust at the top. Oh God. Too bad that's being covered. So we're gonna put our pistachio mixture on top. I feel like I'm scooping sand. It's got that sandy texture. It's like kinetic sand. I wonder how many calories this will be.
The pistachio cream itself, I looked, and one bag was like 800 calories. And we put 2 bags in. That's like 1,600 calories already. But it's homemade, so it's healthy.
Healthier. Once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna chill it in the fridge for a bit and then work on our chocolate ganache that's gonna go on top. All you need to do is heat double cream and chocolate bits up in the microwave. Ooh. Okay, this is going on top. Wow. I'm so excited. Unfortunately, we need to be a little bit more patient. You need to chill it for another hour or overnight.
Ideally.
Ideal. We're gonna do 1 hour. I could do 1 hour.
I guess.
This has been chilling in the fridge for over an hour, so let's cut it. Oh my gosh! Do we have the layers?
Definitely.
Whoa! That crunch! Whoa!
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one.
ASMR. But every time I lift it, it kind of ruins the top.
That's why you have to clean the knife.
Ah, rookie move. I gotta clean the knife and eat it. Professional. Oh.
Okay, wait, don't drop it.
I don't want to drop
show
it.
it.
Camera, you look.
Don't move, don't move.
Get that angle, get the shot. Guys, look at this. Is this not the most beautiful brownie ever? Lila's first dibs. Okay, everyone just get a little piece. Lila's not waiting for anyone. Okay, cheers.
Mmm.
Wow.
I dropped it everywhere. Do not step around.
Oh my god, that is so good.
That's so good. That's so good.
Wow, this is better than just the Dubai chocolate on its own.
Definitely.
This just took it to a whole other universe. Like, this is so delicious. It's got that crunchy texture, but then the brownie, it's so moist, it's so chocolatey. The ganache is like smooth and oh, you can't be wasting food like that, especially when it's this.
Oh no. Oh no.
Chef's kiss. Double chef's kiss.
Oh, this one's so good.
I'm lost for words. You just need to try it out yourself, guys. It's so good.
Oh, that's amazing.
I love that we're all sharing one because it's probably like 10,000 calories for this slice or something, right? You know what's better than a donut? An Italian donut. How good and oozy does that bombolini look? Am I saying it right?
Bombolini?
Bombolini. Italians, please correct me. Basically, that is a Italian filled donut. I love it. I love the look of it. The only thing is she didn't show making the dough, so we gotta do that now. Thankfully, I have it all written out on recipe. For the dough, we need 300 grams of bread flour, 30 grams of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 7 grams of yeast, 2 eggs, 50 grams of melted butter, 75 mils of warm milk. Now I'm gonna give that a good mix and then knead it with my hands. Once we've got an elastic dough, we're gonna let that set for 1 hour.
Whoa.
Check out our dough. There is a lot of gas. Shall we degas it?
Oh.
Whee. Ready to punt it down. Let's divide this up. How many balls do you think we can make? Mouth to donut ratio. I think we'll do 8. I even bought these little like printed sheets just to make it all profesh, you know? Roll, roll, roll them into balls. I will be back once this is done. Ta-da! What she doesn't show you in the video is that you need to leave these for another hour. Whilst these are proofing, we're gonna do our filling. On the stove, I'm heating up some milk with vanilla. Don't mind Alf in the background. Say hi, Alf.
Hello.
I will leave the ingredient list here to cover Alf up. In goes cacao powder, our eggs, cornstarch. Yeah, heat the milk till steaming, but remember to watch it also. I tried my best to multitask. What's a recipe video without some chaos, right guys? Compose ourselves after that. In goes brown sugar and some salt. Now we give that a good mix. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Instructions say slowly add the hot milk whilst whisking. I will whisk, you will add. Okay, wait, knock the camera. Stir, stir. Now we've got to put this back in the pan, turn the heat on. So we're gonna heat this up until it's thicker and bubbling, and then we'll add in our chocolate and butter. Our mixture is getting thicker and thicker, and I don't know why, but it's a little bit lumpy. I'm just gonna trust the process. Our balls have poofed and they're bigger, but they're also not super smooth. It was smooth, but now it's got texture. Let's just fry them up and see.
Fry it with oil.
You guys are just a little bit closer, but like safe. You're at a good distance.
Safe distance.
I'm gonna lower it in. What do you reckon?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
How long do you reckon?
I don't know.
It kind of looks a little bit brown on the edges though.
The butt's so, oh, what is happening? That does not look like a donut.
It looks like a nipple. Why?
Why? What? Why are you cracking?
Wow. This one's a trial piece.
This was a
guys.
trial. We didn't have enough oil, so it touched the bottom. That is the ugliest thing ever. Next one, paper in.
Oh, maybe it floats like
There's
this.
a paper. Are we getting it? I think so. We left the paper in. Is that gonna make a difference?
I don't know. Oh, but they kind of had the line thing now.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be opposite, like the.
Her middle is like pale, our middle is dark.
What is happening? Someone's gonna question what are they, and then also like, no doubt it's homemade. Because what do we just make, guys?
Hey, but you know there are stores that sell like ugly looking pastries that taste amazing.
Is that
maybe
our-
that's our branding?
That's our branding. You don't know. You've never seen it before, but it's delicious. It still looks like something edible. It just doesn't look like a donut. So here are our donuts ready to be filled. I don't even know where to start, guys. Ours has cracks everywhere.
Kinda. Oh,
Ugh.
I guess. That is as filled as a donut would get. Kinda looks like a butt.
Ooh, how to make it aesthetic.
Oh yeah. Hey, hey.
Hey, I think we styled this, guys. Did we nail it? Did we nail it? Ours is perfect.
Yeah.
Ours is like us, lots of imperfections. Okay,
Cheers.
Oh,
Hey.
what? It tastes way better than it looks.
Mmm.
Whoa, even the cream, what?
It's actually pretty light.
It tastes like a donut. I'm so amazed.
Same.
What? The other one's actually fluffy on the inside. The filling is actually really nice. Not overly sweet.
Wow.
Don't judge a dish by its cover, guys, because if we did, we would be missing out on this. So good. Taste is double thumbs. Looks questionable. Like maybe like
Side
a
thumb. Maybe even
maybe
down.
like down. But taste is so good.
It's pretty good. I think it needs more filling though. Less dough, more.
More filling.
filling.
What would you rate this?
Not
Good.
amazing.
Like
Good.
a one
That's
thumb?
one thumb.
No, one.
One thumb. Hey, I'll take it.
What did you give it?
If you're craving chocolate, this quick recipe is supposed to satisfy.
If you haven't tried the viral brownie balls yet, then I'm here to tell you they really are that good. They're super decadent, so one does a really good job of squashing a chocolate craving. It's just dates, cocoa powder, nut butter, honey, vanilla, salt, oat flour, and protein powder. I will put the original creator's measurements in the caption. I followed them, but I didn't measure, and it turned out fine. Them in some melted dark chocolate and topped a few with sea salt and cocoa nibs.
Zen is nailing this angle because we're gonna tackle this protein ball. It is quick and easy. I've already got my oat flour. In goes our dates, our cacao powder, doing 3. Next, we need a scoop of protein powder, 2 tablespoons of honey.
I could do it. Oh no, this one's tight.
This one's tight, and I think because our hands are oily.
You ordered it.
I did, I oiled it. No.
Oh.
No, did I?
I felt like I saw you move. Or was it the cloth moving?
I'll use my old jar. I have a jar of Manuka honey, and I think there's just enough honey. Oh, there's just barely enough. 2 tablespoons of almond butter, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then salt. That's it. Well, now we blend. Pass this to my assistant, who's going to blend. I'm gonna pour out the mixture. Kind of looks like chocolate Cocoa Pops. Then we're just gonna make them into balls. I think that's a good size. What do you think? Or do you want bigger? She likes
I want bite
small
size,
balls.
please. Thank you for announcing it to everybody.
Zen likes small balls, everybody. Whilst I'm shaping this, Zen's gonna melt some chocolate because these are gonna be dipped into chocolate. Because today we are Willy Wonka. Out of all the recipes so far, this has got to be the easiest. We gotta do recipes like this. You gotta do no baking, no frying.
You guys can watch our no bake desserts.
Yeah, no bake desserts. Oh, that was such a good hit. Check it out if you haven't seen it already. Like, that is an episode you need to watch.
Look who's back.
Is it yummy? You like it? Okay. Lila likes it. Is it double thumbs or is it one thumb? Double thumbs up. Mommy and Auntie Zen, we're dipping the balls and then we're gonna decorate it with the nuts. This one's Lila's one. You wanna come taste test? Lila's already downing her second one. Cheers. Whoa.
Whoa, that's a chocolate explosion.
No wonder Lila really likes it. Whoa. Is it healthy, Lila? Chocolate's not, she's like, chocolate's not healthy.
What happened to your mouth?
One ball, oh, it's like so rich. It's gooey, very chocolatey. One ball will squash that chocolate craving. I actually like it with lots of nuts.
Yeah.
Like cut through the chocolate a bit.
And it gives it a nice texture as well, right?
Wow. Woo. What are we rating this, guys? What are we rating this? Lila, do you like these balls? Yes, double thumbs up. I think for the amount of effort, man, the payoff is up there. Like, you want a chocolate hit, this will give you that. Easy to make, and yeah, like one is enough. Okay, one is not enough for Lila.
At least this one you can make and eat straight away.
And you can save it. You can save it
Yeah,
for when you're craving. So definitely try this one out. Do we have chocolate in our teeth? Probably. Do we care? It's okay. It's just you guys, you know, we're all friends. That is it to this chocolate episode. If you guys want to make any of these, I'll leave my link to my recipe cookbook so you can actually follow along to each recipe. Plus I've added in some extra viral recipes if you want to check it out. The link is down below. Big thanks again to Recipe for sponsoring this video. I think I'm so chocolate out.
Same, but I kind of want to eat one more slice of that Dubai.
Yeah,
Dubai
like,
brownie.
okay, that one, I'm going to be dreaming about that. Subscribe if you're new here and we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!